Who I call themselves flash up on a cock of meds. 6 bars passing ready for bust them dread. Ready for talk them ghosts and left shot in the head. How much time them catch swan and meds in the bed.
You fi watch them, and I chose them. Coulda be fam, coulda be friend, and all of them keep it 100.
Bang, boom, bye, bye, inna. Una say that you're mad. You want YouTube take with the video? Hey! Right now, viewers and subscribers, we have Fari done. The dog go far out with the song name. How the song name again to blood clot? 6 never die. Now the dog says so that can run out and say 6 resurrect bomber clot Shan. And guess what people? We hear say people dead. We hear say the man crab up some people face and said so dog and crab it up and said so 2 times. Youth! What me say the man do? Crab up some people face. Yeah, me say the man big up all over to Tobago. Big up Trinidad and Tobago. Big up the whole of bomber clot Caribbean. Big up over St. Paul's. Hey, big up every blood clot body, you know. Right now, we can see what going on for the song, you know. I'm not telling them to do this, you know. Like the Bumble video right now because I'll be excitement. If you don't like the video, man, make you be excitement, you know, man. Like the video. Like the blood clot video right now. We can see what going on. Yo, Fari done. Deal with it. LA Body's reaction drop yesterday. Go check it out. If you don't check it out yet, because that's from it hard. I'm going to say 40. Right, tune.
You know what time for we take them boy the life,
you know what time for
6
now.
All the time the 6 them a peep them. Start move shaky for rebel 6 dead. Load couple 15 and circle them ends. Head shot and puppy 6 ready for dirt them. 9 nights casket and read filmmates. Wash bam sick a cup and fuck down team them. Attack Z-Tech and a man them attack. 6 never die and me just resurrect. AM20 custom other that hurt them. Switch number plate and circle upon them. Coulda rum street or coulda in a your bed. AM 2000 that a mash up head. Who I call themself flash up on a cock of meds. 6 bars passing ready for bust them dread. Ready for talk them ghosts and left shot in the head. How much time them catch swan and meds in the bed. In every house and in every hotel. Swear if me catch them me bust the head scale. Them boy them too girly. I put beef in the head. Anyone me back them. My type of warrior me know you're not able. And I'm gonna left hole in a big like neighbor. For them you fall that dead. Not into the vehicle 20.
Blood clot, there's a pull up a tune. Pull up a bomber clot tune right now. Bomber clot, run tune. Run tune.
You know what time for we take them boy the life, you know. I was 6 done. All the time the 6 them a peep them. Start move shaky for rebel 6.
Pause. The man say all the bomber clot time this is a beat them. The man say the man them start move shaky from bomber clot. Rebel 6 passer. Wait, yo, run tune!
Dead load couple 15 and circle them ends. Headshot and puppy 6, ready for dirt them. 9 nights, casket and read filmmates. Wash bam, sick a cup and fuck down team them. Attack Z-Tech.
Bomber clot, no! Shots fired! People, if you never know, we have bomber clot, much bomber clot character. We have Tyrekevlogs, the vlog boss. We have the reaction boss, and we have the clash hype man. And right now we have hype up the clash because we want somebody from the Z-Tech camp answer that man. Lyrical clash. Lyrics we I deal with. Music me I deal with, you know. You see me I say, we not push no blood clot war. So we want a lyrical clash start like, oh, run dancer, run tune.
And a man them attack. 6 never die and me just was them ends. Headshot and puppy 6, ready for dirt them. 9 nights, casket and read filmmates. Wash bam, sick a cup and fuck down team them. Attack Z-Tech and a man them attack. 6.
Pause. The dog said what's a woman attack bomber clot Z-Tech and guess what the man them do over there? Attack blood clot man. What you tell me say? No, what you tell me say the man them do right now? Run tune!
6 never die and me just resurrect. AM20 custom other that hurt them. Switch number plate and circle upon them. Coulda rum street.
The man says 6 never die, guess what? Because him just blood clot resurrect and the song name what? 6 resurrect blood clot reaction. Now listen what me I telling you right now. Well, and why you don't know why I stay one place? I'm saying they say I stay. Turn right there, so run through.
The 8 gram 2000 that I'm a shop head. Who I call themselves flash up on a cock of meds.
No
6 months past the
pause.
word.
Hear the part there already. The man say boy I call himself what? And I do what? For who? And what? Bumbleclaw! Hey, strike it up! The unit to the bomb.
If you bust them dread, ready for talk them ghosts and left shot in the head. How much time them catch swan and meds in the bed? In every house and in every hotel.
No, pause! Pause! What you do with the Bumbleclaw man them, sir? What you do with the man? The man say how much time them catch Bumbleclaw swan and meds in a bed. People! If you sang bad, I'm going to say in the comment section. Be a Bumbleclaw fire emoji. And if you want Z-Tech for answer the lyrical clash out there, so that's all can nice. Come and know so Trinidad go back under quarantine again. Be a fire emoji. I ask them say, yo, we want the song them for drop. You see me I say, Bumbleclaw, right, George?
So if me catch them, me bust the skull. Them boy, them too girly. I put beef in the head. Anyway, me buck them. My type of warrior, me know you're not able. Them are gonna left hole in a big like neighbor. For them, you fuck that dead.
You think that the man have some real rasta cylinder now? I never know say a far here the man have put in a year. You too bad, you know? No, me have to hold on meds. Instead of put on the phone and hold on meds. I'm gonna put on the blood clot before me catch care of fire. Rachon! Rachon!
90 vehicle 2209. I got full up a pebble. 6 a control. We inject fear like needle. All type of bullet we fit up in a people. Measure waist one and clothes like you to not pay you.
What? Mensa do what? You might wear over clothes? Hold on, what? Red Bumbleclaw Junior, man.
The 6 them not fear ya. All the time the 6 them a peep them. Start move shaky for rebel 6 then load couple 15 and circle them. Men's head shut up happy 6. Ready for their them. 9 night casket and read for meds. Wash bomb see cock up and fat down them. Them a talk about Z-Tech. A man them a tech. 6 never die yo we just resurrect. 6 never die yo we just resurrect.
Bumbleclaw. The only thing I'm gonna say is short. I want me to 5 seconds.
Start move shaky for rebel 6 then load couple 15 and circle them.
Bumbleclaw.
6 never die yo we just resurrect.
But I'm not lie. You just resurrect for true because I never know about you until I do that song where them call 6 never die and then you come step out with this. So I could say this year right now no. A 2 for 2 no. Maybe I have more songs I don't know about, but for me right now since he started release 2 for 2 him guys are far now. 2 for 2 now. You see what I say? So next time 3 for 3, make me know down below in the comment section. Fari that me got myself you know. This was the Russian boss there and I represented her. You see me I say? Peace out!